So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make a photo to look like a painting without any software or without paying anything. Now in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser you have. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser, you can do the same step from your smartphone as well. Now here you have to search for this URL. You can see the right URL right here, which is dpai.org/machine learning model slash torch srga, and once you do that, just simply hit enter and wait for the site to respond. Now here it will ask you to upload the image. Let's just upload a image, for example this one, and let it analyze the image. And once you are satisfied with your upload, just simply hit generate, and it will take some time to process your photo depending upon your internet speed. Once it gets uploaded, it will quickly and instantly generate the posterized version of your image that you can use. Let's just wait for image to upload, and here I can directly hit generate, and it will take some time for process and generate the photo for me. Here you can see I can change the options as well, and once I'm satisfied with my changes, I can directly hit edit, and once I'm satisfied, I can directly download the image as well. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.